Hey, what's up, guys? Made my wife a box to hold her playing cards in on the CNC machine. A lot of stuff I'm gonna do different on the next one, but this one turned out all right. Stick around for a minute and I'll show you how I made this on the CNC machine. All right, guys, before you ever start off, you gotta know how big you want your pockets to be. So you're gonna take you maybe some calipers or ruler, get you some measurements on that. You can do inches. I don't know if you can see that good. 3/4 of an inch or so. But if you were going to do that, when you want to get precise, you're going to have to get into your smaller fractions. If you use the metric side, there's 10 millimeters per centimeter. So those are all in tens, 10, 20. So then you just count each individual line. You're going to know that that is 18, 19 millimeters. So then, if you want to be precise, you can get you some digital calipers. Like I said, you can do inches. I'll zero that out. All right. So inches, it's going to be 0.7, 0.70 about. 69.95, or do millimeters and be about 18. So a little bit deeper than that. We'll go 19 on that. So we know we want it to be that deep. And then as far as wide, go millimeters, we're going to do 65 by, we'll call that 94. So we know how big we want our pockets to be. And it has to be big enough for 2 of them. So we're going to have a piece of wood that we can carve a pocket 19 deep in and still have plenty left over that doesn't go all the way through. So this one, about 30, so that's plenty. Then we can carve into that. Alright guys, I like to use a software called Easel. The free version lets you do about anything you want to do. The pro version gives you some bells and whistles. But the free version is definitely all you need to start with. We're going to do the dimensions. We're going to change them up just a little bit. Make sure they're at least as big as how we measured them, so that they'll have plenty of room to fit down in there. And then the depths of cut is how deep that's going to go down in there. And then you can see on the right hand side it shows you, we'll do 19. And it'll show you that's what that 19 millimeter pocket deep is going to look like in that wood. And we're going to use a 1/4 inch bit. And the different bits will cut out different. If you want a sharp corner, you have to have a lot skinnier bit. The skinnier your bit is, the sharper corners you can get on your cuts. So that's with a 1/4 inch bit. And then this is the, when I'm done doing all the, if you want me to show you how to use the software, leave a comment below, but I'll skip all that. But the base project here, you can actually, on Easel, there's a card box project, and I opened it up and made a lot of modifications to make it fit what I wanted. And then this is what we're going to do for the top. And we're going to use a different, because we want all the sharp corners and everything, we're actually going to use a 90-degree bit instead of a 1/4 bit. Because see, if you use the 1/4 inch bit, you see how ugly that is, because you can't get precise lines. But if you use a 90-degree bit, it cuts in at an angle and you can get all the sharp corners. They're just shallower. And so that's what it's going to look like on the outside. And now we're going to Save that, take it to the machine.
Alright guys, to finish her off, take some clear epoxy resin, mix that in with some colored pigment, mix them two together, then you fill it into the hole, let that harden good, then you just sand it off. Put you some kind of clear coat over that, you're good to go.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button and subscribe for more content. Leave a comment in the section below and let me know what y'all want to see, what you enjoyed, what you didn't enjoy, what I should do better. And hope y'all have a good day and a better week.